This is going to blow your mind. You work hard for your money. Day in and day out, you dedicate your time and energy to earn a living. Your efforts are commendable. But have you ever thought about making your money work hard for you? Imagine your earnings growing while you sleep. It's not just a dream, it's a possibility. Investing is the key to a brighter future. It's about more than just saving. It's about creating opportunities for your money to grow. Just like a plant needs water and sunlight to flourish, your investments need time and patience. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the power of compounding. It's about achieving your dreams. Whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or securing your retirement, investing can help you reach your goals. Don't be afraid to start investing. Equip yourself with knowledge and take that first step towards financial independence. There are countless resources available to help you understand the basics. From online courses to financial advisors, you have the support you need to make informed decisions. With a little guidance, you can become a confident investor. Surround yourself with mentors and like-minded individuals who can offer advice and encouragement. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. This old adage holds true for investing as well. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. The second best time is today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. Let's start building your brighter future together. Join a community of investors who are committed to growing their wealth and achieving their dreams. Together, we can make your financial goals a reality. Think of investments like seeds. You plant them, water them, and watch them grow. Investments are simply ways to put your money to work. Instead of sitting in a bank account, your money can grow much faster through investments. There are many different types of investments, each with its own risks and rewards. The key is to choose investments that match your goals and your comfort level with risk. Remember, the goal is to grow your money over time. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a big company like Apple or Amazon. That's what stocks are. When you buy a stock, you're essentially purchasing a small ownership share in that company. This means you have a stake in its success and, to some extent, its failures too. When you buy stock, you're buying a small ownership share in that company. This ownership entitles you to a portion of the company's profits, which can be paid out as dividends. Additionally, if the company grows and becomes more valuable, the value of your stock can increase as well. If the company does well, the value of your stock goes up. This can lead to significant financial gains over time. For example, if you had invested in Apple or Amazon years ago, your investment would have grown substantially as these companies became industry giants. You can then sell your stock for a profit. This process of buying low and selling high is the fundamental principle of stock trading. However, it's important to remember that the stock market can be unpredictable. Stocks can offer high potential returns, but they also come with higher risk. The value of stocks can fluctuate widely in response to market conditions, company performance, and other factors. This volatility means that while you can make a lot of money, you can also lose a significant amount. The stock market can go up and down, so it's important to invest for the long term. By holding on to your investments through market fluctuations, you can ride out the lows and benefit from the highs. Diversifying your portfolio and seeking advice from financial experts can also help manage risks and maximize returns. Bond lending, a helping hand. Bonds are like loans to the government or a company. When you buy a bond, you're lending money for a specific period. In return, you receive regular interest payments. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. They offer more stability and predictable income. However, their potential returns may be lower compared to stocks. Real estate, building your dreams, brick by brick. Real estate involves buying, owning, and selling properties like houses, apartments, or land. Investing in real estate can be a good way to build wealth. You can generate rental income from properties you own. Additionally, property values tend to appreciate over time. Real estate requires a significant upfront investment, and comes with risks like market fluctuations and property maintenance. Start small, dream big. Investing is for everyone, no matter how much money you have. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. The most important step is to simply begin. Start small and gradually increase your investments over time. Consider using investment apps or platforms that offer low minimums. Remember, consistency is key. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. Take charge of your future. This is all about empowering you to take control of your destiny. It's about making informed decisions today that will shape your tomorrow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, the key is to take proactive steps towards your goals. Investing is not just about money, it's about taking control of your future. It's about setting a vision for where you want to be and taking the necessary steps to get there. Think of it as planting seeds today that will grow into a bountiful harvest in the years to come. It's about achieving your dreams and securing your financial well-being. Every milestone you reach is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Celebrate these achievements, but also keep pushing forward. The journey to financial freedom is ongoing, and each step brings you closer to your ultimate goals. Remember, start investing early. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. The earlier you begin, the more you can take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly increase your wealth over time. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Diversification is a key strategy in building a resilient and successful investment portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This means considering a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Each asset class has its own risk and return profile, and by combining them, you can create a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Invest for the long term. Don't panic sell when the market fluctuates. Market volatility is a normal part of investing. It's important to stay calm and stick to your long-term strategy, rather than making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Remember, the market has historically trended upwards over the long term. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Now, it's your turn. Set clear, achievable goals and create a plan to reach them. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed, but always keep your long-term vision in mind. Your future is in your hands, and with dedication and smart investing, you can achieve financial success. What are your thoughts on investing? Everyone's journey is unique, and sharing your experiences can provide valuable insights to others. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, your perspective matters. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other and grow together. Share your experiences or ask any questions you may have. Engaging with others can help you gain new ideas and strategies, and also provide support and encouragement. If you would like to keep learning about investment and how to create wealth, don't forget to subscribe. Let's empower each other on this journey to financial freedom. Together we can build a future where everyone has the opportunity to achieve their financial goals. Let's celebrate our successes, learn from our challenges, and continue to strive for a brighter, more secure future.